PIR based security system. So here is a PIR sensor. There are 3 pins in the PIR sensor: the VCC or plus pin, the output or signal pin, and the ground or minus pin. The plus pin of the PIR sensor will go to the buzzer and then to the positive terminal of the battery. The output pin of the PIR sensor will go to the middle terminal of the transistor. Now the first terminal of the transistor will go to the minus pin of the buzzer. Now the minus terminal of the PIR sensor will go to the switch. Now the leftover terminal of the transistor will go to the switch. And now this pin will go to the negative terminal of the battery. Now the whole schematic is completed. Now let's see the security system we made. So now I connected all the electronic components on a piece of empty puff board, and the security system looks like this. The whole security system is based on a single transistor. Here is the transistor which I plugged in here. I don't have used any of the Arduinos or other programming boards to make this security system. All the electronic components plugged on the PCB board are according to the schematic. So it's time to test the board, if the board is working or not. Let's test it.